Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Have you ever wanted to read someone's WhatsApp message without them knowing? Whether you're avoiding an awkward reply, needing more time to think, or just don't want to leave anyone on read, you're not alone. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through 6 clever ways to read WhatsApp messages without being caught, all without third-party apps and completely safe to use on both Android. Let's begin with the most effective and official method. Method 1. Turn off read receipts. This is the cleanest solution. When you disable read receipts in WhatsApp, those blue ticks, the ones that tell someone you've read their message, are turned off completely. Here's how to do it. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings. Tap on Privacy, then simply toggle off read receipts. Once you do this, anyone who sends you a message won't be notified when you read it. But keep in mind, it works both ways. You also won't see when others read your messages. Still, it's a small price to pay for privacy. Method 2. Read messages in airplane mode. This trick works wonders if you need to read a message discreetly, without turning off read receipts entirely. Here's how. First, don't open WhatsApp right away when the message comes in. Instead, turn on airplane mode on your phone. Open WhatsApp and read the message while offline. Then, close the app completely, force stop it if necessary. Finally, turn airplane mode off. Because you were offline when reading the message and closed the app before reconnecting, WhatsApp never registers the message as read. Method 3. Use notification previews. One of the simplest and most underused tricks is reading messages straight from your notification bar. As long as you don't tap on the chat, the sender won't know you've seen the message. Just pull down the notification panel or check your lock screen. You'll see the message without generating any read receipts. Method 4. Use WhatsApp widgets. Android users have a unique advantage, the WhatsApp widget. This widget shows all unread messages without opening the app. Here's how to set it up. Long press on your home screen. Tap on Widgets. Look for the WhatsApp 4x2 widget. Drag it to your home screen. Now, you can scroll through unread messages at a glance, without ever opening WhatsApp or triggering those blue ticks. Method 5. Use the search bar. Open WhatsApp, then tap on Ask Meta, AI, or Search. Then type the name of the contact whose message you have not read. Scroll down, then here will appear the message, and you can read the message without opening it. Method 6. Use History Notification. Open Setting app on your phone. Tap on Notifications menu. Then select Advanced Settings and click Notification History. And here you will see all incoming notifications on your phone, including WhatsApp. If it doesn't appear, scroll down and look for WhatsApp. Tap on that, and that's it. You can scroll through unread messages at a glance, without ever opening WhatsApp or triggering those blue ticks. In summary, whether you're protecting your privacy, buying yourself time, or just browsing in peace, these 6 methods can help you manage WhatsApp messages more discreetly. Choose the method that works best for your situation, and regain control over your message reading habits, without causing any drama. Thanks for listening, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe for more privacy tips and mobile tutorials.